of towns people. They introduced new building practices into England, which provided the kingdom with grandiose ecclesiastical and military monuments. They created important castles such as the Tower of London. Normans seized wealth and lands from the English church. They introduced the idea of church courts in England. So let me discuss very famous Elizabethan age. So Elizabethan age. So what is in Elizabethan age? So in Elizabethan age is Elizabethan age 1558 to 1603. In Elizabethan era is the epoch in the Tudor period of the history of England during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I 1558-1603. Historians often depict it as the golden period of English literature. England experienced peace and prosperity while the arts flourished. The time period is named after Queen Elizabeth I, who ruled England during this time. Elizabethan age is considered to be the height of English Renaissance and saw the full flowering of English literature and English poetry. This Elizabethan age is perhaps most famous for its theatre and the works of William Shakespeare. English Renaissance theatre began with the opening of Red Lion Theatre in 1567. Many more permanent theatres opened in London over the next several years, including the Curtain Theatre in 1577 and the famous Globe Theatre in 1599. The period produced some of the world's great playwrights, including Christopher Marlowe and William Shakespeare. Popular genres of theatre included the history play, the tragedy, and the comedy. The major literary figures of this period were Sir Philip Sidney, Christopher Marlowe,